Hello everyone, I'm Anderson. Today we will explain the difference and change we have made between the Mitsubishi EVO pre-production model, the PPM version, and the standard production version. So on my left is our pre-production model we sent to review. So on my right is the standard production version. Now we will open it. On my left is our pre-production model we sent to review. And on my right is our standard production version. For the PPM version, first, the shock oil for both front and rear of the PPM car is 1500 CST. For our standard production version, the front is 1500 CST and rear is 3000 CST. The 3000 CST is in the rear provide a much better damping effect. Let me show you. Meanwhile, the included accessory bag also comes with a set of soft springs. The stock spring have a wire diameter of 1.8 mm and 7.5 coils. The included soft spring had wire diameter of 1.6 mm and 9.5 coils. The advantage of this is that the vehicle can be tuned with different spring combination according to the different driving style and surface conditions. Next is the rear magnetic light connection between the body shell and the chassis. On the PPM car, small screw was used to rigidly connect the spring and the magnet contract to the chassis. On our standard production version used a flexible connection here. Of course, if you prefer to flex connection, we have also included a screw and spring in the accessory bag. Then there is a change to the battery strip. The PPM used a 300 mm strip, while the standard production version used a 250 mm strip, including the adjustable battery mount, which not installed on the PPM version, but will pre-install on the standard production version. There is also a change in the placement of the ESC power switch. On the PPM car, it was located on the inside. On our standard production version, it is located on the outside, making it more convenient for everyone to operate the switch, as well as the flame wheel optimization for the transmitter connection drop. The initiate gyroscope value is set to about 52%, which is lower sensitivity compared to the PPM version. It also resolved the issue where transmitter signal error caused the occasional single-side flashing of the turn signal. As long as the replacement transmitter and the receiver support the standard PPM protocol, they will be compatible with our light control board. The ESC fully supports standard LiPo battery. A standard fully charged 4S LiPo peak is 16.8 volts, and the standard fully charged 6S LiPo peak is 25.2 volts are correctly recognized and will operate the vehicle normally. So we also have limit of discharge rate to ensure electronic stability and prevent system overload. The required battery discharge rate is strictly between 30C and 15C. 16C is peak maximum. Okay. The above is the introduction to the difference between the Mitsubishi PPM pre-production model car and the standard production version. Thank you all for watching. Thank you.